Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul, so if you would like to see some of the things that I picked up, please keep watching. I know, I'm throwing you guys off. I'm filming all my hauls in here. I need to move to my bedroom, but that is such a pain to move all my camera equipment and all that into my room when everything's already set up here, and I'm feeling a little bit lazy. So anyways, and you might ask, why are you so dressed up for a Dollar Tree haul? I just filmed this makeup tutorial and then I added a giveaway to it. So that's why I'm a little fancy, more than usual. But anyways, I'll show you guys everything that I got. So if you guys have seen any of my other Dollar Tree hauls, I always leave with some kind of plastic container because I can use them throughout my house. So this time I got this hot pink container. Not really sure what I'm gonna use it for yet, but I always find something to store in these plastic containers. So I went ahead and got some of this. This is Spanish moss, and let me tell you, this is so dang messy. I want to put this little flower thing together in this tin thing that I got in one of my other Dollar Tree hauls. It said Jardine or something on it, and it was this little tin thingy. I don't know, but I got this to put in there, and they didn't have any of the styrofoam things to poke the flowers in. So I don't know, I might just try to shove some newspaper down there, put this on top so you can't tell that the newspaper's there, so that way I can put the flowers in. And then I've talked about this before. Don't you love neighbors? I've talked about this before. This is from the brand Power Stick, and this is the pure sulfate-free color protection with lavender oil and chamomile. This is for ultra blonde, and this is the conditioner. Last time I went to Dollar Tree, I found 2 shampoos, but they didn't have any conditioners. This time they had one, so I just went ahead and picked this up. If you just want a light purple shampoo, this is the way to go. 1, it's $1, and 2, it works. Sometimes when I use purple shampoos that are way too dark, it makes my hair gray, silver, and I don't like that. I just want the brassiness to be toned down a little bit, and this is such I'll see if I can show you. It's white. So you can't even see the purple. I'm talking about the purple shampoos that are so dark. The color of the formula, whatever, the color of the shampoo or conditioner is such a dark purple, it makes my hair gray. This doesn't, and then the matching shampoo has a light lilac color to it, and it just works really well for me. Then I saw they came out with some new scents of the body wash and the lotion. So this is from Bolero. If you find Bolero at Dollar Tree, that's probably the best beauty skincare brand that they have at the Dollar Tree, unless you find name brand stuff, you know what I mean? But this is the Gentle Body Wash Tropical Pineapple. It cleanses and moisturizes with pineapple extracts. It has no parabens, no dyes, and it's concentrated ×2. I don't really know what that means, but maybe that means you only need a little bit. It does smell like pineapples. I can even smell it through the little protective seal. Then I got the matching tropical pineapple body yogurt. This is also from Bolero. I always like my body washes and my lotions to match. I don't know. Are you guys that way? Because I'm OCD about that. Then I got a couple more of these shampoos. I always like to keep one cheap / drugstore shampoo conditioner in my shower, and then a more expensive one in my shower. I just kind of go back and forth. I don't know why I do that. It's just something that I do. But I found this. This is from the brand Bolero as well, and this is the Watermelon Mint Refreshing Shampoo. That's what this guy looks like. How big is this bottle? Look at this. And then I got the matching Watermelon and Mint Refreshing Conditioner. Again, it's huge. Then I also found this Bolero Rose Water Smoothie Clarifying Conditioner. I've only used a clarifying shampoo once, and I can't remember what I used it for. I think clarifying shampoos are to take product buildup out of your hair, right? It's something like that. But I got it from Sally's. I haven't tried anything like that since, so I figured I would try this out. I've never tried a conditioner version of it though. And then I got the matching Rose Water Smoothie Clarifying Shampoo, also from Bolero. Let's move on to this bag right here. I got another water bottle glass cup thing or whatever. I want to start drinking more water. I feel like when I was pregnant last year, I was drinking water all the time. One, my doctor told me I had to, but I want to get back to drinking ice water all the time. Right now I'm drinking sparkling flavored water, and I'm sure it's better than pop, but it's still not as good for me as water. So I figured I could trick myself into drinking ice water out of this cute cup. So I picked up one of these. I got some of these fake flowers because like I told you guys I want to do like this flower thing. If you watch my vlogs, I'll probably put what flower, there's like dust flying over, my flower arrangement after I'm done with it, so keep a lookout for my upcoming vlogs. But this one has a cattail in it. I mean, that's what we call it in Kansas. I don't know what the right word for it is, but this one has little cattails in it and little orange flowers, so that'd be perfect for fall. And then I got this one. I don't remember why I got this one, but I got this one for something. So I got two of the ones that have the cattails because I want to put these two in these little mason jar things that I have like in our bedroom. We have this painting, two mason jars that have these little LED fairy light things in them, and then there's like already flowers in them, but I want to switch them out to these orange ones for the fall. And then I got another one of that other one, and I honestly can't remember why I got these. I don't know. At the time I was like, oh, I'm gonna do this, but I forgot, so I don't know. Then I always buy my loofahs from Dollar Tree. Well, not always, I just started this like 6 months ago, but usually I change out my loofahs every time I'm done with a body wash. So once I finished a body wash and I open a new one, I always change my loofah. I don't know if that's the right thing to do, but I do that. So I started getting mine from Dollar Tree because it's like the exact same quality, but these are like $2 to $3 at Target. I know it's only a couple dollars more, $1 more, whatever, but hey, I need to save money so I can keep going back to Dollar Tree. But yeah, so I just got two of these. These are from the brand April Bath and Showers, and I've been buying these for the past 6 months and I really like them. So make sure you check these out. On to the next bag. Oh no, what the heck? Then I got these. What did I get these for? I think I got these for a bathroom arrangement. You guys, I don't even know anymore. But I got these flowers, and I'm assuming I got two of those. Yeah, so I got two of these yellow ones. Aren't they pretty? There goes the ice cream truck. Like, what is going on? These are mums, it says. Or chrysanthemums. I don't know. But I got two of these. Ooh, I got some more of these. I've been using these around my house to clean up the counters with like countertop spray or Windex, like stuff like that. Anyways, and then I just throw them in the washer when I wash my towels, and you know what? They're still holding up. So I went ahead and got another two. This comes in a set of two. It's the Clean Life multi-purpose cleaning cloths. It's a lot better than me using paper towels all the time. And this says you can use it for wood, glass, leather, electronics, auto, use wet or dry. So I love these. I also tried some other ones too and they didn't work. So I'm going to keep buying those. Then I just got a set of containers. I wanted white, but they didn't have any, so I just got blue. So I got these. It says 3, but there's definitely, oh, I got 2 of them, that's why. Okay, so I got 6 of these. So they come in a pack of 3, so $2 for 6. I got a rolly cart for my makeup to set next to me to put all my makeup that's on my desk that I film on in there, and then I wanted these little containers so I could just organize the makeup that's on this thing that I have over here. So I got these for that. Then I want to, okay, so my baby doesn't really have a lot of hair, but I think she has enough to do like itty bitty little ponytail. So I found these and they felt like they were soft and stretchy enough because I don't want to pull her hair out, you know? So these are the Ponytail Holders. Okay. They come in a pack of 24, but they're really cute. I don't know. I'm going to mess with them first before I put them on her hair, and then, you know, she's pulling it out. But red, it's like color of the rainbow. Red, yellow, green, a lighter blue, darker blue, and a purple. But if they don't work for her, I'll figure out a way to make them work for me. So I got these. And then I saw these two. These were a little bit softer, and some of them have little rhinestones on them. So I thought they were super cute. This is a pack of 30. And again, you get green, purple, blue, yellow, orange, and pink. How cute are these? They feel soft and stretchy, like they're not going to pull her hair out. So that's the end of my Dollar Tree haul. I have yet to go and look at the fall stuff, so I need to do that. Yeah, I need to do that stat. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this haul, and I will see you guys later. Bye.